Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do some long division. We are going to divide 786 by 4, and we're going to use the divide, multiply, subtract, bring down steps, or does McDonald's sell burgers? So the first step is divide, and we divide the first number by the divisor. So we say 7 divided by 4, or how many 4s go into 7? Well, only one 4 goes into 7 because one, if we count it up, it'd be 4, 8. 8 is too much. So 7 divided by 4 is 1. And we put the 1 right above the 7. Now we multiply. 1 times 4. So we take the number up here. 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. We write that number right underneath the 7 because that's the number that we're working with right now. So 1 times 4 is 4. The next step is subtract. So we subtract 4 from 7. 7 subtract 4 is 3. Next step is bring down. Bring down the next number, the next digit. Make sure you do this really neatly because if you kind of go all wonky, then you might end up with the wrong answer. So we bring down that 8. Beautiful 8. And now we have how many times does 4 go into 38? Or we divide, because we go all the way back up to the top, and we just keep repeating the steps. Divide 38 by 4. How many times does 4 go into 38? Let's count up by 4s. And you can count on your fingers. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So we're going to stop at 36 or we will go over, and that is 4 times 9. And we put that right above the 8. So 4 goes into 38 9 times. Next step is multiply. 9 times 4 is 36. So we multiply this number, 9 times 4 equals 36. Then we go on to subtract. 38 subtract 36 is 2. After we subtract, we bring down. We bring down the next digit. So bring down the 6. It's no longer a 2, it's now 26. So how many times does 4 go into 26? Well, if we count up, or if you already know, 4 goes into 26 6 times. And this is probably the trickiest part, the multiplying. Some students multiply these two numbers times this number, or all the numbers times this number, but you just take the last number that you're working with. And then the other trouble or other mistake that students make is, where do you put the number after you multiply? It always goes down at the bottom after the last number. So 4 times 6 is 24. Put our answer down there. Finish up with subtract. 26 subtract 24 is 2. The next step is bring down, but we actually have nothing left to bring down. So we call this little guy, the remainders. And we put remainder 2. So 786 divided by 4 equals 196, remainder 2.